If you didn't know, let me tell you about the robots.txt file. This little file, this robots.txt file, is the way that website creators have been able to tell search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and whoever else what content are the websites that they think you should be able to search. They're looking to make sure that the community data that they have, that you pay to give access to this. The rule of the land, as long as I've known it, is that a robots.txt file is a little tiny file that you can put in the root folder of your website or web server to tell it what content a search engine like Bing or Google can index or use on your website. A few years ago, we discovered companies like OpenAI have been not following these rules and going and just grabbing all the content that they can find and using that to power these AI-based systems. This has really started to beg the question of who should follow what rules and what information is fair game. And what do these systems have to do in order to have access to it? Most of these questions are not quite set yet, but we have discovered that AI companies are following the rules of these robot.txt files to some extent. I wrote a little bit about this in a recent newsletter. Where we are finding issue today is that some companies don't feel like robots.txt goes far enough. The recent website owner mentioned that looking through his traffic files, he could see millions of hits that were coming from crawlers and AI tools that were simply trying to index his website. All that traffic costs money. That traffic costs for infrastructure that needs to be in place. This shouldn't necessarily be free. Cloudflare, which is one of the largest CDNs, content delivery network that helps to deliver the website in the fastest way to users, started providing tools that will automatically limit and block AI crawlers from ingesting information to give publishers and other companies more control over who can access their data. The big question is, having a website doesn't mean that an AI system can consume my data, and what are the rights to this type of data? If you're interested in these types of conversations, please check out my newsletter, Thoughts on Tech and Things. Also, my book is available for pre-order, so please check that out as well.